Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's discussion would be plasma therapy. The reason why this particular topic is in news is because of the fact that coronavirus survivors' blood plasma could be used to fight the infection. So what is this plasma? How can it be used for treating COVID-19 patients? Let us have a look in this video. Now, what exactly is plasma? So if you take a look at your blood sample after it is processed, there are various components of your blood. The first one is plasma, which is almost 55% of the component of your blood. There is 45% of RBCs and less than 1% of white blood cells and platelets. So this 55% of the blood that is available in the body is utilized for fighting the COVID-19 infection. Now, it is at this point that you have to note a certain important aspect. What is the difference between blood serum and blood plasma? So, blood has certain clotting factors. For example, if there is a cut on your body, it is these clotting factors that helps the body to not lose any amount of blood. So, when you remove those clotting factors from the blood, the resultant product that is available is called blood serum. So this plasma is yellowish in color. Secondly, one of the most important point that you have to note here is it is made up of proteins. Proteins are called the basic building blocks of life in our body because proteins break down into amino acids which are very crucial for cell activity. Therefore, protein is very important for our body. In the context of the COVID-19 infection, there has been a lot of talk about the efficacy of convalescent plasma therapy. Now, what do you understand by convalescent plasma? So, convalescent plasma basically means that plasma which is taken from a patient who has recovered from illness or medical treatment. So, when people get sick with a virus or bacteria, they recover from the illness. This is because their bodies produce antibodies as a reaction against the antigens, and this helps in fighting the virus. So, since we don't have a vaccine that is ready yet for COVID-19, the best bet is plasma. The reason is because since the patients have already fought this virus, they have certain antibodies within their blood which can be donated and used against those patients whose bodies are very weak to react against this virus. So, in the patients whose own immune system are struggling to fight this virus, if you inject this convalescent plasma into their body, it will help fighting this virus. Now, if you take a look at the question, consider the following with respect to plasma therapy. So the first statement, it can be taken from any person with similar blood group. No, it cannot be taken from any person. For plasma therapy to be effective, it should be taken from the person who has already been infected by COVID-19 and that patient must have recovered. Only then his body will have the antibodies with respect to the corresponding SARS-CoV-2 virus antigens. Regarding the second statement, plasma of infected patient can be used as a vaccine. No, that is not the case. It cannot be used as a vaccine. It can be used as a medicine for a person who is struggling to get a proper treatment or whose body is struggling to fight this virus. So, statement 1, statement 2, both of them are false. The answer is D. Now, consider the second question. Please pause your video, have a look at this question. Please come up with an answer and post your answer in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching it.